My name is Steven and this is video number 12 in my new series called Introduction to CodeIgniter. What I'll be showing you guys in this video and in this next segment of the series I'll be showing you how to build a basic website. We'll do things like page linking, like the basics. Of course, there's a CodeIgniter way to do it all though. So, the thing about this website will be though, even though it'll look really stupid and kind of feel really plain, it will be content managed from a MySQL database, which will be really cool and interesting, and I'll show you guys how to do that. In this video specifically though, we'll be dealing with loading multiple views. Mostly setting up for that for the next video, but this video is very important. So let's get started. First of all, we'll go to the CodeIgniter.com website. Download CodeIgniter. We'll just click download CodeIgniter right here. Save file. Open it up. I'm just going to copy this. I'll go into my www folder in my WAMP server. And I'll just paste this here. So right click paste. And I'll just rename this folder basic site. Okay. Next thing I want to do is open this up in my text editor. And we will get to configuring this. First thing I want to do is get my mod rewrite working, so I'll actually go into my old tutorials. If you don't know how to access this, you can just go to look up the tutorial where I actually did this. It shouldn't be that many tutorials ago. So I'll just copy this .htaccess folder or information, create the same file right here. Pop that in. Basic site. Save it. Exit over both those two. Okay. Now we'll go into our application config, because if you remember, step number 2 for that is getting rid of the index page information. So we'll save this. Next thing we'll do is we'll run this. We'll check it out, see if it's working. And sure enough, it is. So this is obviously the default controller. Why don't we set up our controllers then? We'll go to our controllers. Here's the welcome controller. Why don't we create our own? So I'll just copy this over, create a new file. We'll call it site.php, because that's an awesome thing to call my controller. Rename this site. In case you're wondering, I will be going a lot faster in these videos. The first ones were pretty slow. But these ones, hopefully I'll be able to speed up and keep most of you guys' attention. So yeah. First thing I will do, now that I've set up this controller, go to my routes and set up the site controller as my default controller. And just test if this is working. Haha, that's a fail. Sorry about that. And there we go. Alright, we have changed the default controller and we're loading the index function in that. Next thing we want to do is go ahead and create our homepage view. So we'll go into controllers, views. Why don't we load this view first before we create it? So we'll go this load view. We're going to call this view underscore home. Same thing we did last time. Now we'll go into views, open up the welcome message.php view. We're just going to copy this over, create a new, no, we'll just rename it to view underscore home.php. Wonderful. We'll kind of do what we did last time, just delete all this stuff. Delete all this styling, because it sucks. Or we just won't be using it. It doesn't suck. Okay. Okay, now we'll check and see if this is being loaded. Alright. Because I just changed the welcome message view. Now if I copy that, right now it's in my clipboard, open this, Control A, delete, Control V, put it all back, save that, and there we go. So now we've got a whole bunch of nothing, but we can tell that this is the right view because I named the title homepage. Sweet. Next thing I want to do is we will make a nav. And within this nav, we'll create an unordered list and a couple list items. Inside of here, we'll make a href. I'll show you guys how to do this later. This website will have 3 pages: home, about, and contact. Next thing I'll do is create the content div. Yeah. Okay, and next I'll create a footer. Basicsite.com, just some bogus all rights reserved or something like that. That's professional, right? Save this, take a look. Wow, that is an awesome website. I think for this video we're going to leave it at that and do some styling in the next video, and that'll show you the multiple page views. Thanks for watching.